Hi guys, namaste to you all. If you are planning for Vishakhapatnam trip, with Araku Valley Bora Caves, there is one interesting place, and that is called as Jungle Bells. Jungle Bells, and the name of the place is Taida. So basically, it is a nature camp. You will be having wonderful facility over there. So you can go for rock climbing, trekking. Mainly, it is ecotourism, and there you can find cottages to stay over there. The price starting from 600 to 1800, and the rooms are really well furnished with the bamboo sticks, and you can go around the tunnels of the local train also. And we had a amazing time over there, and we could enjoy the nature, and so many monkeys. So seriously, the view is amazing over there. You can spend good time. You are having big swings. Like my children enjoyed so much of like climbing the trees. The trees are so old, and with so many branches, and like Slok is climbing and swinging like a monkey, and not only children, adults also enjoy. Like, it's amazing. The place is beautiful with greenery, with big trees over there, and inside that you can find coffee plantation also. So I captured very nice pictures over there, and seriously, you require minimum 2 days of time, and the winter is the best time to enjoy at Taida. In case you are planning to come to Araku Valley, please come and visit Taida. If you are going from Vishakhapatnam, I think it is 70 kilometers from Vishakhapatnam, and you are having train connectivity as well, and buses are also moving. And nearby to that place, we are having another reservoir that is called as Tatipudi reservoir. That is also a good. It's a small reservoir actually, but makes a sense if you are going to a place to visit the site and all. So we had awesome time spent over there, the quality time in a weekend break, and mostly we have visited during winter. And not only me, entire family, we enjoyed so much. And for food also, we are having a canteen over there. So whatever we wish, we can eat over there. But we took so much snack over there to eat. And this is the room we opted for. The cottages, it's made up of wood, and the view is awesome from the windows. Okay guys, if possible, please try to visit the place and enjoy the beauty of nature, beauty of jungle bells. And not only the children, even adults will enjoy the adventure over there. If you like our video, then please
Like, share, and subscribe. Woo!
thank you guys. See you again. Bye bye.
Yay!